Welcome everyone. Today I will solve some important problems of tangents and normal. This is my third class. I have already solved some important problems in part 1 and part 2. Now look, problem number 3 and 4. So we consider problem number 4 first. This simple problem of Wbjee and also board. The point on the curve at which normal makes equal positive intercept each. So normal y equals to 5 plus x minus x square. So what is dy dx? 1 minus 2x. So slope of normal equals to minus dx dy equals to 1 by 1 minus 2x with negative sign. Now slope of a line making equal and positive intercept on axis is minus 1 because x by a, y by a equals to 1. So x plus y equals to a. So slope is minus 1. So given condition, what is given condition? So slopes are same. So minus 1 by this minus 1. So 1 by 1 minus 2x equals to 1. So 1 minus 2x equals to 1. Taking reciprocal. So x equals to 0. So if x equals to 0, then y equals to from 1, 5. So point is 0, 5. This is 1 or 2 marks problem. Simple one. Now problem number 3. The angle of intersection between the curves this and x square plus y square equals to 10, where x denotes greatest integer. So this is greatest integer function. Now 1 plus sine mod sine 2x. So this is cos square x plus sine square x 2 mod sine x into mod cos x. So we can write it mod cos x whole square, mod sine x whole square, mod sine x mod cos x. So this is sin x plus mod cos x total whole square. So we are getting sin x plus cos x mod sin x 1 plus sin 2x mod with root over. Now its maximum value is 1 plus 1, that is root 2, and minimum value is 1. Therefore 1 less than equals to sin x plus cos x less than equals to root 2. So what is the greatest integer? So 1 to root 2, so greatest integer function mod sin x plus mod cos x equals to 1. So the first curve reduces to y equals to 1. And second one is x square plus y square equals to 10. So what is point of intersection? Point of intersection x equals to plus minus 3. So one point is 3, 1, another is minus 3, 1. So angle between two curves is the angle between their tangents. So dy dx equals to 0, this is m1. dy dx for circle minus y by x, 2x, 2y dy dx. So 2x, so this is minus x by y, minus x by y, dy dx, 2x. So dy dx at minus 3 comma 1, so this is plus 3. So minus minus plus. So this is m2. So tan theta equals to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So 0 minus 3 by 1 plus 0, so this is minus 3. Theta equals to tan inverse minus 3. So if you take this point, then minus 3, 1. We are taking minus 3, 1. So this is minus tan inverse 3. If we take 3, 1, so dy dx at 3, 1. This is minus 3. So here it will be plus. So angle will be here tan theta 0 minus minus 3, 1 plus 0. So theta equals to tan inverse 3. So angle tan inverse minus 3, tan inverse 3. Multi-option correct. So only this one you have to look. Mod sin x plus mod cos x. So this equals to, so maximum value, its value lies between 1 to root 2. So what is the integer value? Integer value is 1. Now it is very simple. Now we consider two more problems, 6 and 12. So problem number 12. The tangent to the curve at this is also normal to the curve at m square n cube. Then what is value of n into n? So tangent also normal. So we find slope of tangent at this and slope of normal at this, and they are same. So simple one. So y square equals to x cube. So 2y dy dx, 3x square. So dy by dx, 3x square by 2y. So dy dx at m square m cube. So 3 into m to the power 4 by 2m cube. 3 into m to the power 4 by 2m cube. So 3 by 2m. 3 by 2m. Now this is slope of tangent. Slope of tangent. Now slope of normal. minus dx dy at m square m cube. So minus 2y by 3x square m square m cube. So minus 2m cube by 3m to the power 4. So minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 into 1 by m. So they represent same line. So given condition, slopes are same. So 3 by 2 m equals to minus 2 by 3 1 by m. So m into capital M minus 4 by 9. So minus 4 by 9. So 1 or 2 marks problem of Wbjee. So this is very simple but important also. Now problem number 6. The tangents to the curve at A, curves of intercept alpha and beta on coordinate axis, where alpha square beta square 61. Then find value of A. This is also very simple problem. So tangent. So to find tangent, we need slope. So 2y cube. So 6y square dy dx equals to 2ax 3x square. So dy dx 6y square 2ax plus 3x square. So dy dx at specified point AA. So 2a square 3a square. So this is 5 by 6. Slope is 5 by 6. So what is tangent? Y minus A. 5 by 6 into x minus A. So 6y minus 6a equals to 5x minus 5a. So 5x minus 6y. 5x minus 6y equals to minus a. So we put it intercept form because intercepts are alpha and beta. So x by a by 5, y by a by 6 equals to 1. So what is x intercept? This is alpha minus a by 5. What is y intercept? This is a by 6. So we are getting alpha and beta. Now one more condition is given, alpha square plus beta square 61. So a square by 25. A square by 36 equals to 61. So a square common. 1 by 25, 1 by 36 equals to 61. So 36 plus 25, 61. So this implies a square into 61 by 25 into 36 equals to 61. So a square equals to 25 into 36. A equals to plus minus 5 into 6. That is plus minus 30. So look at the options. So C, option C. So this is very simple problem. Find equation of tangent. Express it in intercept form. This is x-intercept, this is y-intercept. Use second condition and you get result. So this is also simple. Now Consider problem number 11. The function y equals to fx has second order derivative f double dash x equals to 6 into x minus 1. The curve passes through 2, 1. And at the point 2, 1, tangent of the graph is y equals to this. Therefore, slope of tangent of the graph, y equals to 3x minus 5. So, slope of tangent is 3. Now, slope of tangent of the curve will be f dash x. Slope of tangent at x equals to 2 equals to 3. X equals to 2 is 3 because point is 2, 1. And slope of the curve is f dash x. Now, f double dash x, 6 into x minus 1. So, integrating. So, f dash x equals to 6 into x minus 1 whole square by 2 plus c. Now, it passes through 2, 1. Since it passes through 2, 1. The tangent at 2, 1, same. So, f dash. So, what is f dash x? Now, slope of the curve is f dash x. So, slope of curve at x equals to 2, that is f dash 2. So, 6 into 2 minus 1 whole square. 2 minus 1 whole square. So, half plus c equals to 3 plus c. Therefore, 3 plus c equals to, what is slope? Slope is slope of the curve. Slope of the tangent at x equals to 2 is 3. So, this is 3. So, 3 cancel, c equals to 0. Listen again. The tangent is 3x minus 5. So, what is slope? Slope is 3. Now, slope of the curve at 2, 1. At that point, this is equation of tangent. So, at the point x equals to 2, slope is this, 3. Now, at the point, slope of the curve is 3 into x minus 1 whole square plus c. But at x equals to 2, we are getting 3 plus c. So, equating, we get c. So, what is equation of curve? F dash x equals to 3 into x minus 1 whole square. Now, what is fx? Integrating again. So, power diminish fx. So, x minus 1 whole cube plus c. Now, since it passes through 2, 1, 2, 1 implies 1 equals to 2 minus 1 whole cube plus c. So, c equals to, so this is 1 equals to 1 plus c. So, c equals to 0. So, what is curve? Fx is x minus 1 whole cube. So, equation of curve is x minus 1 whole cube. So, answer is x minus 1 whole cube. So, this is our working tool, slope of tangent at that point, at 2, 1. What is slope? 2. At that point, slope is 3 plus c. Equating, we get 0. So, we are getting f dash x, integrating again, we get this plus c. So, using 2, 1 passes through 2, 1, we get c equals 0. So, equation of the curve x minus 1 whole cube. Now we consider two very simple problem of Wbjee and one for JEE main. So problem number 14. If x plus y equals to k is normal to this, then find value of k. So normal, this represents normal. So we find slope of the normal of the curve and slope of the straight line. So make them equal and we find result. So y square equals to 16x. So 2y dy dx equals to 16. So dy dx equals to 8 by y. So slope of normal. So minus y by 8. Now x plus y equals to k represents normal to the curve. So what is slope? Slope is minus 1. So y by 8 equals to minus 1. So minus 1 by 8 equals to minus 1. So y equals to 8. So if y equals to 8, so 8 square equals to 16 into x. So x equals to 4. So what is x? X equals to 4. So we are getting x and y. Now what is k? X plus y. So 4 plus 8. This one is 12. So value of k is 12. So this is 1 marks problem. Slope of the curve. Slope of normal of the curve minus 1 by 8. And this represents normal. So what is slope? Dy dx. So this is minus 1. Make them equal. You get y. Putting value of y, we get x. Then what is k? K equals to 12. This is very simple. Now look, problem number 15. The equation of tangent to the curve that is parallel to x-axis. This is simple problem of board exam. It is also problem of JEE main. So we know if tangent is parallel to x-axis, then dy dx equals to 0. So this is our working tool. Tangent is parallel to x-axis. That is dy. Therefore, dy dx equals to 0. Now y equals to 4. X plus 4 by x square. So dy dx 1. 4 minus 2 x to the power minus 3. So 1 plus 4 into minus 2. So 1 minus 8 by x cube. So dy by dx equals to 0 implies 8 by x cube sum 0. So x cube sum 8. So x equals to 2. So if x equals to 2, what is y? Y equals to 2 plus 4 by 2 square equals to 3. So we are getting point. Point is 2, 3. And it is parallel to x-axis. So slope is 0. So what is tangent? Y minus 3. 0 into x minus 2. So y equals to 3. It's possible answer. So answer is y equals to 3. Very simple but important problem. Now we consider two more problems. Problem number 17. The distance between origin and normal to the curve at x equals to 0. This is board problem, 2 marks only. Simple. So we have to find equation of normal at x equals to 0. Then you have to find its distance from origin. So curve is y equals to e to the power x square plus x square. So at x equals to 0, y equals to 1. So point 0, 1. Now dy dx e to the power x square into 2x plus 2x. So dy dx look, the curve is not e to the power x square. Curve is e to the power 2x plus x square. Sorry. So at x equals to 0, so e to the power 0, this is 1. So point is okay. So this is e to the power 2x into 2. Then dy dx at x equals to 0. So 2. So normal y normal at 0, 1, y minus 1, slope of the normal. So minus half, minus dx dy, x minus 0. So 2x minus 2 equals to minus x. So x plus 2y equals to 2. So what is distance from origin? Distance from 0, 0 to the normal. So if we express it in normal form, 2 by root over 1 square plus 2 square. So 2 by root 5. So distance is 2 by root 5. Only 2 marks problem. So very simple. This is of board standard. So 18 also. This is important problem for board. So this is normal to y square equals to 4x. So y square equals to 4x. So normal. So what is parametric equation? If we use parametric, then it will be simple. So this is parametric equation. We find equation of normal at t, that is at square 2at. So dx by dt 2at, dy by dt 2a. So what is dy dx? Dy dx is dy dt. This is obviously dt dx. So 1 by t. So equation of normal at at square 2at. Y minus 2at minus t into x minus at square. So tx plus y 2at plus at cube. So you have to remember this result for competitive problem. This is equation of normal, and it is also given that Lx plus my equals to 1 is also normal. Therefore 1 and 2 are identical because they represent equation of normal. So T by L equals to 1 by m equals to 2at plus at cube by 1. So what is T? From first two relation, T suman L by m. T equals to L by m. Now, considering second and third, 2at plus at cube. So what is T? 2a into L by m. A into L cube by m cube. So 1 by m. So 1 equals to multiply by m. So 2al. So this is t suman l by m. This is l by m. And this is 1 equals to 2al plus al cube by m square. So multiplying by m square equals to 2al m square plus al cube. Al cube 2al m square equals to m square. So this is condition. This is our condition. So look it again. This represents normal of parabola. So y square equals to 4x. So parametric equation is 80 square 280. So equation of normal is this. It is also normal. So comparing we get t. Then putting value of t in the second relation, we are getting this condition. So this is most important problem for board exam. So today we have solved some important problem of board and also for West Bengal Wbjee. So you solve rest of the problems from description box. So I will take more classes, 2 more classes to this chapter, tangent and normal. Thank you for today.